Hi guys, I'm going to do another tutorial for chapter 7, Common Rhetorics, and this time I'm in section 7.3, and I'm going to do number 9 on page 332. So this question asks us, there's 12 students consisting of 5 men and 7 women that apply for a job. In how many ways can 4 jobs be awarded amongst the students if A, there is no restriction on the awarding job, B, 2 men and 2 women must be hired, and C, at least 2 jobs must go to women. So we're going to obviously start with A, and we know that there are 12 people in total, and we can only choose 4. So when we plug this into our calculator, go 12, and then go to the left, go down to 3, and we get this equals 495 options. Now, if we put some restrictions on the job choosing, and now we have to have 2 men and 2 women that must be hired. So let's start with the restriction that is 2 men. In total, we have 5 men, and then we must choose 2. That's what the restriction is telling us. And then we'll multiply this by 7 women that we have, and we also have to choose 2 as well. So then when we plug this into our calculator, we're going to do the same thing as we did in the last question. We'll do 5, but math go to the left, down to 3, and then times 7, math left, and then we get 210 choices. And then our last section is C, and this means at least 2 jobs must go to women. So it's kind of like the question we had before. We'll start with 2 jobs, and this will just be the same as B, which is 5C2 times 7C2. Because if we have 2 jobs to women, then what we have our 5C2 is that 2 jobs but also must go to men because those are the remaining jobs. And we know that this equals 210 automatically. But there's still other ones. So what if a woman, like our next option, we kind of have to add them up, is that 3 jobs go to women because this restriction says at least. So then it would actually become 7C3, and that leaves us with 5C1 for the men. So we're going to add all these together. Let's just quickly see what just this section equals right here. And we're doing our same thing as always. And this one is 175. And since we're kind of running out of room, I'm just going to bring this up here. And then our last option, since there's only 4 jobs that are available, would be, what if they all go to women? So we're going to make this, since there's 5 men, and since they're all going to women, we're going to choose 0 men. Multiply that by 7 women, and then choose all 4. We'll choose 4 men for the job. So let's see what this is on our calculator as well. And this is 35. So we're going to add all of these up because these are different options. So in the end we have 210 plus 175 plus 35